Hi students, this is Shahina. Welcome back to our new session of Module 3, MySQL Control Structures. In the last sessions, we discussed about the basic programming construct like variable, comments, operators, expressions, etc. Now we look on control structures available in MySQL, PLSQL. Flow control statements are the statement which controls the flow of execution in our program. If, case, iterate, leave loop, while, repeat, etc. are the flow control used in a stored programs. Please note that MySQL does not support a for loop. Instead of for loop, we use while and repeat construct for the iteration purpose. We look each and every one in detail. If statement, all of you know about the if statement. If search condition, then a statement which is executed if the condition is true, else if search condition, then statement list, etc., etc., else and if. The if statement is enclosed with if and end if. Consider an example. If n greater than m, then set s is equal to greater than, else if n is equal to m, then set s is equal to, else set s is equal to less than. It depends upon the value of n, we do perform multiple tasks. So we check the condition m greater than m. The case statement. The case statement select a sequence of statement to execute. If you want to select a sequence, the case statement uses a selector rather than a multiple Boolean expressions. A selector or a case value is an expression whose value is used to select one of the several alternatives. Here is the syntax of case statement: case value or selector value, when value, then the statement list, etc., etc., else. This is the syntax of a case statement. The case statement is similar to switch case statement in C, Java, etc. Consider an example. Case V. V is a case value or a selector. When 2, then select V. When 3, select 0. How it is executed? The selector value or case value is compared to 2. If it is equal to 2, then we select V. If it is equal to 3, then we select 0. Otherwise, we use some other codes. Here also note that case value is end with end case clause. Next, iterate statement. Iterate statement is similar to continue statement in C language. What is the use of continue statement? Continue statement is skipping a part of loop, we use continue statement. In the similar way, here we use iterate statement. Syntax is iterate label. Iterate can appear only within the loop, repeat and while statement. Iterate means start the loop again or skipping a part of loop again. Leave statement. Leave statement is similar to the break statement in C programming. Jumping out of a loop, we use break statement. That is, the statement is used to exit the flow control construct that has the given label. Leave can be used within the begin, end or loop construct like loop, repeat, while. There are three types of loop statements in MySQL. First one is loop, then while, then repeat. These are the three statements used for the iterative statement in MySQL. First, we look on loop statement. The syntax of loop statement: begin label full colon loop, then statement to be executed repeatedly, then end loop, end label. The loop implement a simple loop construct, enabling repeated execution of a statement list. The statement within the loops are repeated until the loop is terminated. Usually the termination process is accomplished by using a statement like leave statement. If certain condition is met, we can leave from the loop using if construct and leave statement. Consider an example. Begin. Label 1 is the label of the loop. Then loop is the keyword used for loop starting. Then here I use a variable which is incremented by 1 p1. P1 is equal to p1 plus 1. When I check if p1 less than 10, then iterate label 1, that is repeat the loop again, and if otherwise leave label 1, that is leave from the loop. The value of p1 less than 10, the loop remains repeatedly working until p1 has greater than 10. When the value of p1 greater than 10, the loop breaks its execution and jump out of the loop. Next, repeat statement. Repeat is another iterative statement used in MySQL. Here also we use a begin label. Repeat is the keyword for the loop. Then statement list until search condition, end repeat label. The statement list within the repeat statement is repeated until the search condition expression is true. In this loop, we can identify that the statement list is executed at least once. First of all, the statement list is executed and only after that a search condition is checked. Say exit controlled loop similar to do while loop in our C language. The example: repeat set x is equal to 0. Here I use at x. What is the usage of at symbol? At symbol is a session variable or global variable in MySQL. At x is equal to 0. Then I use a repeat loop. Repeat set is incremented by 1 until when the x value equal to p1. Whenever the value of x is equal to p1, in that time the loop exit. Next loop construct is a while statement. Here also we use begin label statement, then while search condition, do statement list, end while. The statement list within the while statement is repeated as long as the search condition expression is true. The while statement working is similar to while statement in C program. Example: while v1 greater than 0, do some statement list is executed, then the end while statement. These are the loop construct used in MySQL. What are they? Loop, repeat loop and loop statements are used for iterative statements in MySQL. And if and case statements are the decision making statements available in MySQL. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching this video.